This is going to be a tutorial for your track changes assignment. The first thing you want to do is to read through these instructions and go through each one of these tutorials. Even if you are on a Mac, you need to go through all of the tutorials because they do have helpful information. Then if you are on a Mac, you're going to want to go through the Mac tips. So after you've gone through those, we're going to download this track changes file by clicking on the down arrow. Then I will open it. And I'm going to bring that over so that you can see it. I'm going to enable editing and make it full screen. And then I'm going to change my view. You don't need to do this, but I just do that so you can see what I'm doing. So one of the first things that you want to do is to go to the review tab and make sure in the show markup under balloons that this bottom one is checked, show only formatting in balloons. If you have one of these others checked, then it's going to show things like this, and that's not how they want it. So they want you to make sure show markup under balloons and check the bottom one. Okay, so now I'm ready to turn on track changes. So I just need to click right here and that turns on track changes. See how now it's highlighted in gray? That means the tracking changes is on. So now the expectation is for number 3, there are 2 sentences I need to add to the end of paragraph 1. So right here at the end of paragraph 1, I'm going to type in those 2 sentences. And now you'll notice as I'm typing, it's in another color. That shows that I have made changes. Yours might be a different color than mine. It might be a different color than red, but that's okay. It's still tracking your changes as long as you have track changes on. If it is typing and looks just like this, then you need to make sure track changes is turned on. Okay. Oops, I made a typo right there. Okay, so I fixed my typo. It looks like what they wanted me to type in. So now, requirement 4 is, see, there's been some changes made. So this was deleted and this was typed in. I need to click on this and this little balloon pops up to ask me, do I want to accept or reject the suggestion? The check mark means I accept. So now I've accepted the change in the second paragraph. Now requirement 5 is to move the paragraph that starts with there is a law. So I need to scroll down and find the paragraph that starts with there is a law. So right here, there is a law. So this paragraph, they want me to move it so that it is the last paragraph in the document. So when I move this, it's still going to show up right here, but it will be crossed out and then I will paste it down here. So I'm going to left click and select the entire paragraph. I'm going to right click and select cut because I don't want it here anymore. So it's still there, but it's crossed out, showing that I had cut it. And then down here, I want to paste. Okay. So now it shows where I want it to be, and whoever looks at this next will see that I moved it from here to there. As long as your document looks similar, you will get full credit, even if your colors are different. I just need to be able to see that you've turned on track changes and that you have made the required changes and accepted the changes in paragraph 2. Now all that's left is for you to save this document with your name and submit it. Good luck.